So it's just before sunrise. Me and the squad are heading out to take a couple pictures. And then we have like a pretty awesome day out on the boats, exploring the islands and beaches here in El Nido. The light was beyond average. It was just really kind of bland. There were some pinks that popped for a little bit, but it was mostly a little bit flat. So instead, I flew the drone. What the drone does is it just gives you so much perspective. It gives you so much depth. I got up above these hills in the background there, and I used some of these boats as a foreground, as an anchor to my image, and then used that awesome peak out that way as my background. And I think the images came out pretty cool despite the light being flat. It's just so good having a drone in the bag because it gives you something to do if the light's not great. It gives you a different perspective if you need it. So thankful for the Mavic today, and I guess it's now time to go grab some bread.
Shout my drone video.
So Greg's got a drone video he wants me to shout out about drone photography and drone vlogging. And yeah, I guess it's time that we go catch one of these boats and go explore some islands.
Yeah.
Okay, this is called risky business. We gotta get to our boat there. The water is about waist high. My camera bag is waist high. I'm being lazy, to be honest. I should just take the bag off my back and go in. But I'm gonna risk it because I'm a wild man. We're thigh high and I've got to try to time the waves. Yeah. Whoa. This is close. Clayton, I need help. Nice, we made it. So we're cruising. We're basically doing a variation of Tour C today, and our first stop is Helicopter Island and Helicopter Beach. I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you because it's really cool. It kind of looks like a cartoon helicopter. You can see it's got like the dome up here of the helicopter, and then like the rudder is way back there. And it's just so cool. And the beach we're going to is right there. A great stop, and now we're cruising across the bay. The water's a little bit bumpier here, and I'm not sure exactly. We're either going to Hidden Beach or to do some snorkeling. I got in the water there and it was just beautiful, absolutely amazing, and it's so good to be back in the sea, man. So good.
Gosh, it's beautiful here. Just look at that yellow sun. And way off in the distance It's those lovely little white clouds.
So how great is this? We're in literally like the middle of this entire area all to ourselves. The watercolor's insane, and we're gonna go for a snorkel. One of my regrets, actually I've got two regrets on my packing list for this trip. One, I should have taken like an underwater housing and brought my old 6D. Even like these dry bag camera underwater housings like the Outrex would have worked. And two, I didn't bring a polarizer. So that was kind of silly, but we're gonna get into the water and I'm gonna shoot some GoPro stuff, and I'll probably fly the drone as well here.
Get a drink, have a good time now. Go to paradise, paradise.
Você me vê sorrindo à toa, se você me vê sorrindo à toa, se você me vê sorrindo à toa, se você me vê sorrindo.
It's lunchtime and we just pulled off at this little cove, white sand beach. Whoa, white sand beach, and we don't have it all to ourselves. There's a couple boats, a couple other boats, a couple other people, but it's just absolutely perfect paradise here. White sand, beautiful water, crystal clear water, and this limestone background, some trees around it. It's just, how do you feel, Clayton? Aha!
Você me vê sorrindo à toa, se 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 você me vê sorrindo.
Some workshops, they get really beautiful women models. On ours, we get male models. Greg's working hard.
Tough life, Brandon Manson.
So we made it to Secret Beach, which is my favorite spot. This place is ridiculous, and I'm gonna do something risky here. I didn't get photos of this place last time because you have to swim. You can see all the other people are swimming, and there's like a little hole that you don't swim through, you kind of swim through it. You kind of swim through this hole, and I bought this water bag, or this dry bag, for like $2. And I'm gonna put my camera in it. I'm gonna risk it, put the 5D Mark IV in it, and bring it in. So hopefully it holds. We've hit some really choppy swell, and we're bouncing around, kind of just getting battered a little bit by the sea here, but it's actually a lot of fun. You might not be able to see, or I might not be able to show you, but there's like water just smashing into the cliffs and the rocks over there. The last stop of the day, we're at the hidden beach, which you kind of just have to swim along through here, and then there's the beach, which is a little bit hidden in there. And yeah, this has just been the perfect day. Our variation of touristy, a little bit of photography, a lot of exploration, good company, and yeah, it's just been a blast. So let's head in there. I'm not gonna bring any camera gear this time, just the GoPro and the dome, I guess.
Excuse me, senor. It is not ole ole. No, see. It is only one ole. Like this. Ole.
Yeah.
It was a really, really, really good day out on the water. Probably got a little bit of sun, definitely got sunburned. But yeah, fantastic day. So shout out to Hello El Nido. They're the ones we cruised with. We're with them again tomorrow. And basically the whole trip was organized by Hello El Nido. So big thanks for them for helping out. I think the light's gonna be epic. I think the light's gonna be really good. So we have limited time. We're just gonna race back and get tripods and shoot anything down here. So yeah, we're kind of in a hurry. Let's go do it.
Yeah.
This location is where babies are made. This place is so good. You've got this boat line, and you're always looking for an anchor in your shot, and also like leading lines. You've got a boat, another boat, and it just leads straight into that sexy peak off in the distance. You could also zoom in on a telephoto shot of those palm trees getting all lit up there. You've also got this palm tree kicking out there. It's just pure sexiness. I was telling these guys that what I like to do at a shoot like this is I like to come and find the hero image on the wide angle and just kind of like sit and wait for the light. And as I do that, I put on a long lens and pick out some details and try to find another shot. But sometimes you're at the whims of nature, and we were shooting expecting epic light over this way, and we didn't get it, but we were getting really cool, beautiful light in the background. So I just stuck with the 70-200, the telephoto shot, and I think it came out kind of cool. A little bit minimalist, a little bit different than what I usually do, but it works. And yeah, again, I've said it like 24 times today. Such a good day today here in El Nido, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow and the next day and the days after. Palawan, Philippines just blows my mind every time we come here. And I'm gonna leave you guys with some of the photos from this shoot right now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.